Hey y'all, hey, so I know what you're thinking. I'm in my kitchen and it's already clean, so you want to know what are we going to be cleaning today. I have a dirty little secret and I discovered it a couple of weeks ago, and today's the day that I am going to take care of it. So if you're interested in seeing what nasty part of the kitchen I'm cleaning, keep watching.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better.
So I am using some disposable cloths that I found from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using the pink stuff, and you guys have seen me use it on my oven and I really enjoy the process, and it's vegan and it should be like all natural or something like that. But anyway, this is what it cleans on the back of it. Now it didn't really mention grease, so that's what I'm really curious about, and that is what we are going to be tackling today. And I am showing you my track lighting in my kitchen, and it's a hot ass. Ooh, it's a hot mess, y'all. Excuse my language, but anyway, it is covered in grease and little gnats that come in from the outside. If you've been here long enough, you know that there is no homes behind me. It's just trees and woods. So anytime we open our back door, little creatures and things come inside when we let Lincoln out. And yeah, this is just what it is looking like, and it's pretty gross. The grease has it has a little drip, little situation going on right there. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to be tackling it, and you guys are in for the experience with me. This is my little setup, and yeah, I cut the disposable rags in half. I'm just gonna get a good swipe of this paste, and we're gonna get right into it.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this, so let's go.
I just want to say that I am applying it as instructed, but the grease, as far as I can explain to you, is very thick, it's very sticky. I should probably be wearing eye protection because some of my facial expressions are hilarious, but nothing got in my eye. As you can see, I am removing some. Oh God, y'all, it's just kind of embarrassing, but at the same time, I may not be the only one that had this situation going on, so that's why I am sharing with you this project today, because hey, this is supposed to be a motivating channel as far as cleaning, motherhood, and all of the things above that makes you get excited about waking up in the morning. So all bases are covered on this channel, and if you are new here, my name is Denise, and we are still getting this situation taken care of. I am always going to be using a new cloth because I just don't want to get anything in my paste, because I am using the rag directly and scooping it out. So that's why I cut them in half, and yep, we're just gonna keep it moving until we get all three lights coated and covered, and then we are going to wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth.
It's way past late, another closet we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
I just want to hop on and ask a few questions. Well, probably just one question. I'm kind of nosy. Just want to know, what's the weather like where you are from? Because yesterday was like the first day, well, I want to say the day that I filmed this was the first time I actually saw the sun in all its glory since probably the late part of December, and that is like pretty intense for me. All this rain, it was like, who was asking for it? Like, who prayed for all this rain? I don't know. It wasn't me, because it was giving me, I was just not in a good place mentally, because I enjoy the sun. I don't want to be out in it all the time, but at least I want to see the sunshine coming through my blinds and all that jazz. It just makes me happy. It makes Lucas happy, and So we just had a lot of fun yesterday. But let me know in the comments, are you one of those people that is currently suffering from like this weird historical snow that has been taking place in Texas and all over? Do you have power? If you don't have power, I'm sorry. I'm praying for you. It just really sucks to not have power. But anyway, I'm wrapping this whole cleaning of the track lighting, and I think I got all of the residue wiped off, and you guys are going to get so much joy out of seeing the before and the after. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna let you guys see what this situation looked like before, and then you'll see the after.
All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you.
So now that you've seen the disgusting before, this after right here is just all too satisfying, and I am thoroughly pleased with. It was very effortless, really, y'all. I really didn't do a whole lot. Y'all saw what I was doing, so it wasn't that bad. It was just me taking the time to do it. I did this while Logan was taking a nap, and yeah, I got it done. If you enjoyed this motivation and you have a dirty little secret in your own home, go ahead and tackle it. If you don't have the pink stuff, get you some, because it works wonders. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed with that notification bell turned on so you never miss an upload from me. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.